Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone had a great festival season, and you know, it's perfect to start a discussion on mitochondria, which is we know mitochondria is our uh, energy furnace, energy powerhouse, right? And it converts a lot of food sources into ATP, which provides us energy to do various tasks, right? And so let us discuss this, and also we'll discuss about the role of mitochondrial dysfunction in onset and progression of type 2 diabetes, right? In body, there are three type of genes which are expressed, which is human genes, other is microbial genes, third is mitochondrial genes, right? Mitochondria has its own DNA, right? And these are single cell organisms. These have been around for so many years, right? In fact, they are said to be, close relatives of the microbes living in our gut, in our mouth, right? And they are found in every cell, every human cell, including beta cells, various brain cells, neurons everywhere, right? And a process where we call is mitochondrial biogenesis. So it is not only about providing energy. So there's something called mitochondrial biogenesis, which makes existing mitochondria, copy its genome and make more mitochondria, right? It's like it multiplies itself, right? And that is really important from the point of understanding, uh, the availability of mitochondria to provide energy to overcome a lot of stress. So whenever uh, we are under stress or something, whether it is oxidative stress or whether it's physical stress, a lot of these things. So the message goes to mitochondria that please, we need more energy and probably, can you produce some? And that's how the thing work. And specifically in terms of you know oxidative stress, so they can be the cells do a lot of work daily, right? And there is a lot of they also experience stress like us, so what we call is oxidative stress. And again, certain free radicals are released. Again, these free radicals or reactive oxidative species can actually harm our mitochondria, can lead to uh, you know uh, probably mitochondrial dysfunction. But thing is, uh, mitochondria is capable of overcoming this thing and repairing itself. And for this, it needs magnesium, right? And again, there is an enzyme, right, which is not only responsible for which takes care of the multiplication of or the mitochondrial biogenesis, and also improving the efficiency or doing the repair in you know the mitochondrial function. And again, this enzyme has magnesium ions, and it needs magnesium as a cofactor, right? So in simple words, these ions fix to your magnesium, and then that helps you either improving the mitochondrial biogenesis or doing the repair work, right? And again, these mitochondria are also found in your beta cells, which are responsible for releasing releasing insulin for your regulating your blood sugar response, right? And again, this is something really important. So again, magnesium is something comes from various foods such as spinach, almond, kale, various nuts. But again, the consuming these foods doesn't mean you have magnesium. You're getting magnesium, especially here contains also if you've got macron. Certain biotech producing certain lactobacillus species, when they're expressing the right genes, they can actually convert foods, these which can provide you magnesium, right? So if you have low bitrate producers, low activity of bitrate producers, or low activity of these certain lactobacillus species, you may not get magnesium even if you're consuming a lot of these foods, right? So here the role of microbiome is really important from a mitochondrial biogenesis and mitochondrial repair perspective. Which again, if there is a mitochondrial dysfunction, it is oxidative stress, lead to ROS, which leads to release of free radicals, and ROS, which can actually lead to a mitochondrial dysfunction, which can damage mitochondria, and probably magnesium helps in doing this repair work. That is one aspect, and that's why a lot of these mitochondria can, when they are getting destroyed and disturbed inside the beta cells, that is one of the independent risk factor of developing of type 2 diabetes, right? And also, so magnesium, we know there is sort of love affair between mitochondria and magnesium, right? Second thing is, certain other metabolites which are really, really important is uric acid. So high uric acid further, you know, down regulates mitochondrial biogenesis, right? So a lot of these fruit juices you are taking from your supermarkets which are high in fructose, right? So fructose is one of the most important molecule which causes uric acid to elevate apart from purines, right? So you should consider this. So have a low fructose, low sodium nutrition choices, right? Your nutrition choice should not have a lot of fructose and all these sodium, which can increase your uric acid level and which can deregulate your mitochondrial biogenesis. Again, there are certain microbes in your mouth, like pivotal or intermedia is set to you know cause increase the production of uric acid, which can further downregulate mitochondrial biogenesis. So there's a lot of interaction going on inside the body at a molecular level, right? So to sum up, every mitochondria is a single cell organism. It is found in every cell. It is required to provide us energy to. It is called as energy furnace, right? It is an Yeah. It converts your food sources into ATP, which provides you energy, right? Again, there's a lot of oxidative stress. So this oxidative stress can actually, uh, impact your mitochondrial function, can lead to its damage. But there are certain nutrients such as magnesium, right, which when consumed and properly metabolized inside the body by your microbiome can help you repair your mitochondria, help you improve your mitochondrial biogenesis, produce more mitochondria, right? Multiplicate itself. And again, certain factors, if you're in low, high fructose diet or high sodium diet, it can increase your uric acid production, and which can actually down regulate your mitochondrial biogenesis, which can actually impact, which can also lead to increase risk of type 2 diabetes, and even in certain uh, microbes in the mouth, right? Certain protein intermedia, if they are expressing virulence genes, it can increase the production of uric acid, which can further impact your mitochondrial biogenesis, which can deregulate mitochondrial biogenesis and can even impact your lead to mitochondrial dysfunction, which is an independent factor of type 2 diabetes. So it is all connected, right? Even high uric acid is one of the metabolite which causes uh, insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes, right? So it is really, really important to understand your mitochondrial function, what is happening inside the body at a molecular level. It is not only about if you are looking to cure looking to reverse your type 2 diabetes and you're just going for a low carb diet or high protein diet, right? Or just tracking your blood sugar level. There are multiple such factors at the molecular level which may not come up, which may not show up in your blood work. For instance, only 1% of the magnesium circulating magnesium is shown in the blood. So you can never know by blood work if you have a magnesium deficient or not, right? So again, understanding your mitochondrial dysfunction and mitochondrial balance is really, really important from your metabolic health, from preventing you to develop, type 2 diabetes, right? So these are the questions you should ask. These things will not come up in your CGM markers or in your, or in your blood works or your fat diet and general nutrition intervention may not cover them, right? So that's it for today. Have a great day. Thank you very much.